You know it's a good product when it is the #1 seller of UnderCover. I'm Katie Osborne for Truck Hero. Alongside me is Chris Morris, and we are here to talk about UltraFlex. Why is it the #1 top seller?
So it gives you everything that everyone has been wanting out of a tonneau cover. It gives you matte finish, aluminum panel, carpeted bedrug material on the bottom that gives you a nice and finished look when you fold the panel over, and LED light that comes with the cover. Batteries included, low profile, everything you want.
But let's go back to that matte black. Why is that so trendy right now?
Because it goes right along with your OE automotive finishes on your bumper covers, the trim pieces. They're all kind of matte finish, so we kind of go right along with it with our tonneau cover to kind of give it a full match.
Yeah, it's the whole package, really. But you know, one thing we were talking about also is the warranty and how good that really is with the UltraFlex.
Yes, you get a full 5-year warranty with our UnderCover UltraFlex.
You know, Chris, one of the things I noticed when we dropped the tailgate was a swing case. How important is that for buyers of this?
Yeah, so we make the swing case for the driver and passenger side. It's also one of our very popular products from UnderCover. It's a swing out toolbox. It's lockable, weather tight. You put all your tie downs, your rubber cables, your tools, all that stuff that kind of slides around underneath your back seat, all in one spot. When you need it, you just pull the handle out, it swings out to you. You grab what you need and go on your way.
Hey, makes sense to me. Well, of course, the UltraFlex offers so much, but what it's also offering is another panel.
Yeah, so coming in 2020, we'll have a long bed application on our UltraFlex, ArmorFlex, and Flex line of covers. We've had a lot of customers ask about these over the years, so here we are. It's available now.
Well, if you want to learn more details on the UltraFlex, the #1 seller of UnderCover, make sure you check out truck-hero.com.